Are you confused between academic writing and general training writing in IELTS? Hi all, this is Sweetie from Axis Language School and I'm here to differentiate between academic writing and general training writing. In both writing sections, we have two tasks. Seeing academic writing in particular, there are two tasks in the test. For the first task, candidates have to write a report in not less than 150 words based on material found in a graph, chart, table or diagram demonstrating their ability to describe and explain data. For the second task, candidates have to write an essay of not less than 250 words on a given topic. They are expected to demonstrate an ability to discuss issues, construct arguments and use appropriate tone and register. Coming to general training writing, the first task requires candidates to write a letter of not less than 150 words, either asking for information or explaining a situation. The second task is an essay of not less than 250 words to be written on a given topic. Candidates are expected to be able to present their own ideas and challenge others' ideas using appropriate tone and register. So I hope you are clear with the difference between two types of writing in the IELTS test. Thank you for your support and see you in another video.